All right, guys, let's get into it. What you're seeing broadcast on the screen right now is today's S&P 500 charts. The market just closed a little while ago, and be honest with you, it was a beautiful start to the week, man. Just a great, fantastic Monday. And really what I want to do for you guys here in this short video is show you the power of limiting your technical analysis to the morning session, okay? Because as you can see here, between 7 o'clock in the morning and lunchtime, all right, folks, we really only had one setup, okay? Now, before I get too deep into this video, folks, I want to feel your confidence, okay? I want you guys to look at this chart, okay, and you explain to me why you think that this was a setup here, right? This location here that I've circled with the yellow box, okay? For those of you guys that have been with me for a long time, you know that this is what I like to call the perfect setup, okay? And that's because this volume indicator, which by the way, folks, that is the green and red color band that you see overlaid on top of the chart, right? This volume indicator actually turned green over here, okay? So technically, at about 1:50 in the morning, the uptrend potentially started, okay? But we're not looking to play the color change. You guys know that, right? We do not care. I shouldn't say we don't care. We care about the color change, but we're not technically trading it. You understand? Instead, folks, what I like to do is I like to wait for, okay, the market to rip. Okay, it's got to establish a nice, strong uptrend. And then it's got to slowly dip back, what I like to call retrace. And that's represented by several red bars, okay, that come back down. And the price has got to go underneath the color band, right? You've seen this movie before, guys. You've seen this setup, hopefully, be explained by yours truly 100,000 times, okay? And then, folks, we're waiting for one of these. Okay, a nice fat juicy green reversal bar that prints underneath the color, telling us that it's potentially time to lift off again, right? And so what I like to do is I like to wait for this bar to close, and then bam, I look for an area to go long the market. And of course, folks, I place my stop just a couple of ticks or a couple of pips underneath that bar's low. And from that point on, folks, all I want to do is I want to wait and see and hope and pray that the market does in fact take off. And look, folks, that's the name of the game, man, right? You just got to take a chance. You got to take a leap of faith. You also got to use a little bit of common sense. And of course, folks, you never, ever trade against the color. So yeah, folks, we basically only had one setup today in the morning session on the S&P 500. In my humble opinion, this is probably what a perfect signal and a perfect setup looks like. And I'm glad a lot of you guys reached out to me today letting me know that you crushed it today on this particular setup. And by the way, for everybody who opted in either on Friday or Saturday, if you haven't heard from us yet, please expect to hear from either myself or from my support agent David today or tomorrow being Tuesday. And rest assured, we cannot wait to get this software on your computer and in your hands. Okay, for everybody else, I don't know what you're waiting for. Time to get off the sidelines, get involved, because I think we're going to see more setups like this, and I think the rest of the week is going to be absolutely bonkers. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.